So, hi guys, I'm going to show you how to get onto Nearpod using Canvas. Um, Generally, what you want to make sure at the top is that in your Chrome browser, you are logged into your Sage Hill School account instead of your personal account. And what this is going to do is it's going to give you institutional access to integrate it and to have some of those Nearpod premium features. The other thing is that you will also need to be logged in to access Canvas and to have some of those features integrate with Canvas itself. So double check that you're logged in here in your Chrome browser. All right, so once you are there, we're gonna head over to app.nearpod.com. And if the easiest way to actually make a presentation in Nearpod is to use Google Slides. However, before you use this, what you're going to need to do is ask Chris Irwin to give you the school user upgrade and the ability to install applications into the Google Suite. So this is what it's going to look like on my end. If you do not have this access yet, stop watching and you're going to watch the other video that will look like lesson in Nearpod. But if you have that already, let's go here. And of course, as always, you're going to want to choose your Sage Hill School account. So this should take you directly to Google Slides. And what you're going to want to do is it gives you very clear instructions right off the bat, which is kind of cool. But there's a cool feature in every Google Suite app, which will be add-ons. What you're going to need to do is go to Get Add-ons. And sometimes it's easier just to search it. So for Nearpod. And here it is. So I'm going to add this as a slides add-on. And boom, if it is there, you should be able to see it right under add-ons and with Nearpod. Once you have that, you're going to open Nearpod. And you are going to go ahead and see this navigation bar on the right, which is going to be why you use Nearpod in the first place. So you could just make things in Google Slides, as always, test, text, or let's go with lorem ipsum. And so that'll be your first test slide. Let's say I want to add an activity, and that activity could be a poll. So you're going to click on that. It'll give you the Nearpod interface, and I can say, how likely are you to point to use Nearpod in distance learning? And I can go 100%, 0%, yada yada. And let's go. There are a bunch of other things that you can explore as well on your own. Integrations with BBC Video, Draw's really cool. Flipgrid, which I will demonstrate in another video, is also one of my favorite online tools. Memory tests, quizzes, and a really cool thing called Time to Climb, which is kind of like a gamified version of a quiz. Similar to Kahoot, not as functional, but pretty fun. But the next thing you can do is save and go to Nearpod. And this will take you right over to Nearpod. As you can see, my demo lessons are a mess, but it's okay. And that's how you create a Nearpod in Google Slides.